yesterday in practice, and we just talked to one another and said that if we trust our teammates and we share the ball, that offense will come, and it showed now. I think we had 111. I think this is the highest output in this series. So, it's just a mindset of these players to trust one another and to share the ball. That's the philosophy.
Coach, it's the first time for Vic Manuel and Terence Romeo to make an appearance in this series. When did you decide to field them in, and how do they fare in the expectations you set for them?
Well, Terrence played well. He played quality minutes, and also Vic. I'm really happy with Vic. Even if yung minutes niya, it was only 7 or 8, but he really helped us a lot. His quality minutes were really great, and he really helped the team in today's victory. And also, Terrence played well, but I'm sure he's not healthy yet. But the kid just wants to win and just wants to help the team. That's why he played now.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, congratulations not just for the win but also for winning Best Player of the Conference. Sabi ko kanina na hindi mo alam na yung awarding ngayong araw. Anong kahalagahan ba nitong pagiging Best Player of the Conference mo for the 10th time? At paano ka ginanahan sa larong ito kung ikaw ang
Una-una na ako salamat kaibigan na walang na-enjoy sa ganyan. Yung kahit sino sa team namin pwede maging best player of the conference kasi sobrang lalim ng team namin. Hindi ako inanahan dahil nanalo ng BPC. Kailangan ko talaga i-ano yung sarili ko dun sa ilalim kasi pag natalo kami, 3-1, mahirap mga bounce back sa 3-1. So, gusto namin manalo, gusto namin matay yung series. Credit sa coaching staff, mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat. Kung sino yung pinasok ni coach, nag-step up lahat. So, kaya nakuha namin yung panalo.
Junmar, sa huling mga laro, lagi napapag-usapan yung defense ang binabato sa iyo ng Real ko. Ano ba nalagay yung challenge sa binibigay nila sa iyo? At masasabi mo ba naka-adjust ka na doon after this game?
Maganda yung depensa na credit talaga sa nila. Maganda yung depensa. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa buong team. Kasi kita na naman na limited yung mga namin, yung shots namin. Minsan nilang mga 70 plus lang. So, ayun, tas ngayon, yun nga sinabi ni coach, maganda yung namin ngayon, pasahan. So, nag-rotate yung bola. So, yun yung ngayon, kaya nanalo kami.
At this point, your opinion is ready to be that.
Junmar, congrats. I-mention nga kanina na kaya hindi mo alam daw na Junmar here.
Okay.
Hindi mo daw alam na award niya. Pero when finally won it, tapos you were announced na BPC, nagkaroon ka ba ng added motivation to perform this way? Tonight's game, 12 points in the first quarter. Gano'n ako motivated after winning the award?
Motivated ako kasi down kami, one game sa series. So, yung BBC, bonus na lang yun. So, masaya ako na nakuha yung BBC, pero credit yun sa mga teammates ko kasi hindi ko makakuha yung hindi dahil sa mga teammates ko. So, yan.
Coach, si Terence ba fully healthy na or you're still taking it day by day, game by day?
Day by day pa, and he just decided to play because he really wanted to help the team, no? So, I'm very happy that yun yung mentality niya, no, na sige, he talked to me yesterday and said, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna really, in case na ipasok, if I bring him inside, he's gonna give his 110, which he did now. And also to Vic, I talked to Terence and Vic, and said that if there's a chance that I can bring you inside, can you play at least 110%? And they did it today. So very happy that they followed the instructions.
Coach, si Vic ba naniniin na or talagang hindi na masyadong nagagamit?
Ano, he got, kasi after the Rain or Shine series, he got kind of sick. So he didn't practice that was a 14-day break. So he didn't practice, I think, for 10 to 12 days kasi he was really feeling ill. So, and he just stayed in his house. So, siguro he's just getting his breath back. Now, once, and it's coming back kasi in practice, he's doing extra work. And so, he wants his timing back. So, I'm sure it's gonna come back. I just hope soon. And about his best player of the conference, Junmar really worked hard for it. So it doesn't come easy. He worked hard for it. So I'm happy that he got it. What's that? No. Sorry. Ay, sorry.
Coach, knowing the series, how the series is being played, most of the time sigurado yung competitive. You're the one na parang kayo nag-a-adjust on this kind of way you see some shift in.
No, I was because yung first 3 games they were dictating the game because they were averaging 16 more shots than us. So now I was looking at that. I think they just had 1 extra shot, and that's really a big factor. If a team averages 16 more shots than you, so that's really hard to that's really hard to beat and really hard to win. So now I just looked at it. We just lost by 1. So the players really focused on that and had effort getting the rebounds. Kasi lahat ng extra points naman nila was coming all from offensive boards. Imagine they had 22 the last game. And they had 16 more shots, so that was really a big factor today.
What's the new 14th of career Ryan? Okay ka ba doon if other grad players are or that
he had 48, huh? 40. Yeah, well, as long as the rest don't score, we're fine. So he had his 40, but we kind of stopped the rest of them. So very happy for that.
Shout out. Shout out Mama, Papa, Ajay, Kendra Bats, Cham Cham, Baby Siyo, Lolo Perde, Tercenso and family, sa lahat ng mga taga Cebu, pinabinamungaan, House of Kraken, Kraken Car Wash, Kraken Energy Car Wash, House Gun, sa mga fans ng San Miguel, maraming salamat. Trizzanilos, shout out ng Trizzanilos.
Tingnan sa Python,
Hapaka, good luck sa finals. Jerry Ramos, So, salamat sa mga fans ng San Miguel, sa mga fans ng PPA. Kita-kita tayo sa next game sa venue. God bless.
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Clyde, bye-bye. See you.